Hello, welcome to our YouTube 8VK channel. Please stay tuned and get the latest news and updates around the world. Biren issues dummy check to victims of violence sans financial assistance. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh is notorious for his catchphrase "Action Yengbiyu, watch my action," which he often used in response to law and order situations, indicating that action will be taken. This phrase has become synonymous with Chief Minister N. Biren Singh himself and is frequently heard when he addresses the media after significant incidents. However, this once famous line has now become a subject of ridicule for many, as no tangible action has been taken against wrongdoers. People have grown accustomed to this ineffective phrase and no longer take it seriously. In line with his signature catchphrase, the Chief Minister presented dummy checks to victims of violence in the Sugnu Assembly constituency 3 months ago, promising financial assistance for rebuilding their houses. However, these individuals are still awaiting the promised fund. Sugnu MLA K. Ranjit has alleged that despite receiving dummy checks from the Chief Minister 2/3 months ago, displaced persons from Sugnu and Saru have not received any financial aid. Ranjit made these claims while addressing the media on Sunday, stating that the Deputy Commissioner of Kukshing had informed him about the Chief Minister's invitation to disperse financial assistance to displaced persons from Sugnu and Saru on November 9, 2023. Acting on this information, Ranjit arranged transportation for the displaced persons to the DC office. However, upon arrival, it was revealed that only 4 families from each village would receive financial assistance. Subsequently, these 8 families were taken to the CM Secretariat, where the Chief Minister handed them dummy checks in front of the media. Despite these public gestures, it is disappointing to learn that these families are yet to receive any actual financial assistance. While the Chief Minister is quick to make promises and declarations, meaningful actions often fail to materialize. Additionally, despite the gravity of the situation, the Chief Minister has shown a lack of concern by refusing to entertain phone calls, even from MLAs of conflict-affected constituencies. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and also do share your feedback in comment section below.